Such a beautiful morning today. And the two dogs, two Dobermans, a black and a brown, and they've been out there having a great time for the past hour or so. And they're here at our hotel, the old castle, the owner's dogs. But they've been having a great time in the water. The silhouette of Rona, and the breakfast was so good. It was very good value. We're back again. Straight across the road from the Anda market. Looking forward to that, Rona?
Yeah.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Yum. Their pancakes are really good here. Okay. Bit of a rest and then we're off for a new adventure for today. Just a little bit of exploration. A bit of a lake. With a bridge. Keeps going up there through the mangroves and around to the main beach. Look at that beautiful location. Absolutely amazing. Okay, I'm going to copy Rona. It's a nice spot. Just taking a seat along the beach. We're a long way up that way. We're exploring the back way. Lifestyle of the locals. I love to live here. Look at that. Underneath all the coconut palms, right by an amazing white beach. Look how clear that water is. It's just probably one of the better places I've been in the Philippines. Much better than Boracay, Anda Beach, Bantayan, even Coron. Beautiful, more being built up here. But the development's not happening here. Especially up the main beach up here because of the municipal halls up here and everything. They're just amazing. And that's it for our walk around the back areas to the lagoon. I think I called it a lake, it's actually a lagoon. And back around up on the main beach to the food park, where we've been numerous times because it's cheap here. And if you want to eat, you come here. Magnificent spot. Alright, we think we're going to get a shake. Alright, let's enjoy. Quinale Beach, and we're going to go for a swim, and Rona's going to get some photos. Maybe here. You want to do it here? Alright.
This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. Don't look at the past now. No, we're not going that way. Oh, now make it last. Make it last to the break of day.
Okay, we're back again for dinner because the pizza is actually really good here. Fairly thick. We'll have the pepperoni and Hungarian sausage this time with a beer. Okay, Rona's really hungry, so
Let's eat.
let's eat.
Let's eat.
And our addition, fries. Yum. Let's really eat now. Hungry. We only had breakfast, as you saw earlier. Yum. They're the sort of. Look at that. Finished. How was that, Rona? With fries.
Perfecto.
All the sauces smothered in sauce. Fries with ketchup and mayo. Yum. Dessert time. So we're at that Central Park area near the municipal village where all the tents are set up. It's a bit like a local fair, and having ice cream. Look at Rhoda, she didn't want it till she tasted mine. 25 pesos, look at that, 25 pesos, about 80 cents. Whoa. We're back at our hotel at the bar by the beach. We had a brown out just before, but it's okay. And Rona's on the beers now. Look at her. She's chugging this one. And she's proud of it too. Mine was from the can. Rona's is on tap, and I'm waiting to try it because I haven't had this on tap before. So I want to check it out. Yes, we moved from there to here. So nice. And the music Credence playing in the background. Nice.